What is going on, you guys? We are back out here, and in today's video we have a lens ball. So these things are super cool. You've probably seen them on the internet, but if you haven't, it's basically a glass sphere which you can take really cool pictures in. The cool thing about it is that because of the way it's built, the image is actually upside down in it. So like now I'm actually upside down in it just because of the refraction in the glass. So it takes a bit of like getting used to. So yeah, let's just dive right into it and try and see if we can get some bangers. So I am here with Chini Photography as well, and we've come to this bridge here which has a really cool sense of symmetry as well. So you can see the leading lines just in the photos there. So yeah, so we're just trying to get a bit of symmetry and kind of trying to make the lens ball look as good as possible. The one thing that is quite tricky about it is that it can be a bit tricky to focus on, just because obviously it's glass. So we're going to try and do a bit of a mix of autofocus and then a mix of manual focus, and maybe try and see which one works best, and we'll show you guys the results. But yeah, let us know what you think. Okay, so we've just come down here a little bit further on the bridge, and we're just gonna do a bit of handheld stuff. So we had the tripod set up before, but we're gonna go for the handheld stuff, and yeah, hopefully get some even better results. So I've just come down to the other side, so I got some shots over here, just going back. So I'm gonna get some shots of here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get like the bokeh of the cars in the background, because I think they get like a kind of nice effect to it. You do still have the grate here, so it is what it is, but yeah, hopefully we can get some nice bokeh now that it's something a little bit darker. So we just finished up with the bridge. Yeah, it was kind of interesting. It's kind of good to try these things out. But yeah, I generally found that with the manual focus, it was a little bit more trickier. I actually found the autofocus worked quite well, but it is kind of good getting the manual focus as well, because you can kind of fine tune it a little bit better. But let me know what you guys thought of the images. Don't forget to go check out the images on my Instagram, and don't forget to check out Chini as well. And if you like that one, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.